kindergarten, we're going to do another Y page. And with our Y again is going to be a Z review. So I'd like you to find page 346B. 346, and it has the letter B. And at the top, as you're writing your name, we'll go over again our Y sound for y, yo-yo, y, and our Z sound for zipper, z, z. Now let's go to number 1. In number 1, I want you to trace this capital Y and our lowercase y. Now, in this row, we need to find the pictures that begin with the Y sound, ya, ya. Our first picture is a fan. Everybody say fan. Does fan start with the y sound? No, it does not. Please yell out, what letter does fan start with? You got it. We need an F. Our next picture is yarn. Yarn. Does that make that y sound? Yes it does. Another Y word, yes. Let's circle it. Now our last picture is an egg, but notice the arrows pointing to the middle part of the egg. That part of the egg is called yolk. Can you say yolk? Does yolk start with that Y sound? Yes, it does. Let's circle our egg. Now we're going to move down to number 2, and we're going to make our own letters. So let's do that capital Y. Remember, start at the top line, slanted line down to the dotted line. Pick your pencil up. Top again, slanted line down to the bottom line. Looks like that V. And then we make a straight line down. Now our lowercase y is going to start at the dotted line, slanted line down. Pick your pencil up. Dotted line again, slanted line down again, but this time it keeps on going and falls. Good work. Now let's look for some Y pictures again. Now here we have a yawn, yawn. Does that have the y sound? Yes, it does. Our next picture is guitar, guitar. Does that have the y sound? No, it does not. Yell out, what does guitar start with? Yes, G. Now our last picture, unfortunately, when it copied, the color did not come out. This is a yellow paint splatter. So say yellow. Yellow. Would that start with your y sound? Yes. And if you have a yellow crayon or even a yellow marker, you can color this picture yellow. Now, we're going to move on to our Z review with Z. And we're going to go to number 3, and we're going to trace that capital Z and trace that lowercase z. And now we're going to look for things that start with the Z sound, Z. And our first one is zebra. Everybody say zebra. Does zebra start with the Z sound? Yes, it does. Let's circle zebra. Our next picture is bike. Everybody say bike. Bike. Does that start with our Z sound? No. Everybody yell out, what does bike start with? Yes, it's B. And our last picture, zero. Everybody say zero. Does zero make that Z sound? Yes, it does. Nice job. Now, number 4, we're going to make our own Z's. So that capital Z, we start at the top line, we go over to the right, slanted line all the way down, and back over to the right. Lowercase z starts at the dotted line, goes over to the right, slanted line down, and back over to the right. Now let's look for more pictures that make the Z sound. The first picture is zipper. Does zipper go z, z? Yes, it does. Good job. Our next picture is zigzag. Does a zigzag go z, z? Yes, it does. And our last picture is a sun. Sun. Does sun make the z, z sound? No, it does not. Yell out, what sound does sun begin with? Yes, it's an S. Great job, kindergarten.